Curious how much you can actually borrow with a first lien HELOC? It all starts with three things: your home's value, your credit score, and your lender's guidelines. Most lenders let you borrow against your home's equity. Basically, that's the value of your home minus what you still owe on your mortgage. The higher your credit score, the more options and opportunities you'll have. But here's the thing: not every lender offers the same terms. That's why it pays to shop around and talk to a mortgage expert. They'll help you break down your numbers, explore your options, and figure out how to make your equity work for you. With the right advice, tapping into your home's value could be the smartest move you make. Visit firstlienheloc.com today to find a lender who specializes in first lien HELOCs.